for differential input and single ended output. और डिफरेंशियल दोनों को सिग्नल दे रहे, नहीं तो ओपैम्प में दोनों को डिफरेंशियल इनपुट एंड सिंगल एंडेड आउटपुट सिंगल एंडेड मीन्स, ठीक है. Now we will see the inverting input. This is the inverting input signal. This is non-inverting input signal. In this case, we can see the VCC there is VE, there is T1, T2 is there. This RC1, RC2 is there. Here we can see transistor T1. T1 के बेस को base of T1 given voltage V1, signal V1, we will get V0 and V2 is grounded in this case. V2 is grounded means single ended input is there. V1 we are given input and output we will get yet here V0 output. This is inverting input. As we are given this signal means wave in this way, we will get wave in this way, means it get inverted. So it is called inverted input. In this case, non-inverting input. In this non-inverting, VCC, V same is there. Only we will grounded this first terminal. This V1 is grounded and we will give signal to the V2. V2 signal, we are giving signal to the V2 and we will get the output at V0. As we are given this alternating wave, positive then negative, we will get same positive then negative. Here it is inverted and it is not inverted, is the same, it is positive and negative, same way. So it is called as non-inverting, means as give input we will get the same output. Okay. When input signal is applied to the V1 and V2, when input signal is applied to the V1 and V2 is grounded, as shown in the figure, the resultant signals are shown. The collector of T1 inverted output because of transistor action. Hence, V1 is the base of T1 is called as inverting input. The signal appearing at the emitter is in phase with input. The base current increases. Okay. The collector of T2 inverted signal which is in phase with V1. Okay. Now we will see second non-inverting input. In this non-inverting input means base of the T1 is grounded. Now when the base of T1 is grounded and signal is applied to the T2, non-inverting signal, when this is grounded and we apply signal to V2, then what happens we will see. As I have explained, in the first case the signal appearing at the base to the T1 is 180 degree out of phase with input. Means signal at input is 180 degree out of phase with input. In this case, now in this case we can see as we will give signal, we will get the same signal at that output. So it is called as non-inverting input. As I explained in the first case, signal appearing at the base of T1, at the base to the T1 is 180 degree out of phase with input. Means this signal is base का signal 180 degree, ये input ऐसे दे रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है, ये ऐसे मिल रहा है, तो 180 degree out of phase होगा इसका input signal V1. Okay, ट्रांजिस्टर T1 का सिग्नल करेक्ट. ओके, therefore this collector VC1 is inverted. So this collector VC1 is inverted, which is in phase with the input, which उसका कलेक्टर सिग्नल, सो इसका कलेक्टर सिग्नल ऐसे मिल रहा है which is in phase with input, input से same हो जाए. So it is called as non-inverting amplifier. Hence base of T2 is called as non-inverting input terminal. So base of T2 is called as non-inverting terminal. This is called non-inverting terminal, and this is called as inverting terminal. Okay, in the operational amplifier, you will study this in 12th standard. What is inverting terminal, what is non-inverting terminal, op amp. Okay.